How to set up automatic replies on Outlook account. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily set up the automatic replies on your Microsoft Outlook. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Outlook, and you can do this both on the Outlook app and as well as your web browser. So I'm right now using my app. So the first thing you want to do here is open up your settings menu on the top right corner. Just go ahead and click on it. And once your settings is open here, you'll find your account section. And right here on account section, you have an option for automatic replies. Go ahead and click on this. And once you have selected your preferred account, you can go ahead and toggle this button to turn on automatic replies. Now you can send the replies time period, so you can choose the start date and time. You can select this to select your date and time. I'm not going to do that right now. And here you can just type in your message. So here I have a sample email, so you can write in whatever you want to send as a automatic reply, and then simply click on save. And now your automatic replies will be sent. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.